Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Thank you for 25 subscribers, by the way. Anyway, in this video, I will be discussing Hurricane Ida. So, damage. Let's start from new. Damage. Hurricane Ida had done a whopping $95 billion in damage. It didn't only have severe flooding, but it also had a lot of tornadoes, and its wind was pretty severe because it actually clashed midway with a cold front that was already forecasted to hit the northeast. Tornadoes. Ida had dropped a stable total of at least five twisters. Almost all of these twisters were either EF2 or above. That is significant damage, and the first tornado officially touched down in Maryland as an EF2, well, a higher end EF2. Floods. Ida had rained over 3 inches in Central Park, that's in New York City, in 1 hour. That is absolutely stunning. It had also dumped over a foot of flooding in Philadelphia, and Philadelphia basically looks like a swamp now. So, my regards to anyone who was caught in the bad flooding of this thing, or caught in the bad tornadoes, or overall in the storm. Louisiana actually took quite a hit, and I hope everyone over there is okay. But, this storm officially started its tornado journey in Maryland, and then it spawned at least five twisters in a span of 10 or 5 or 6 hours. So it was definitely scary. I hope everyone is okay, by the way. So, what would I rate it? So, on a scale, this is my scale, from a very severe storm, or from a very weak storm to a really severe storm, the scale taking place, so blue being the weakest, black being the worst. So I would rate it as a red because, yes, it had some very bad flooding, it had tornadoes, and it had winds, and it was paired with a cold front. And when it hit Louisiana, it was a category 4. But compared with Dorian or Hurricane Katrina or any other really bad hurricanes, this is not a black. I would rate it a maroon, but I think Sandy is a maroon, and if we're being honest, yes, okay, Sandy didn't do as much, well, definitely did more damage. It definitely did more. But in the long term, it didn't spawn so many tornadoes. But the damage is contented. So technically, yeah, no, well, okay. I will stop. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope everyone is untouched and okay. By the will of God, I hope everybody is fine because that storm was one to remember. Stay safe. Happy school year to any students. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See ya.